What if I tell you, so many people, they don't know how to use this magical oil. Yes, castor oil. This magical ancient oil can dramatically reduce your acne and pimples. Also, it can increase the growth of your hair and stop your hair loss if you know how to use it in a correct way. Unfortunately, most of the people, they do not know how to use the castor oil, so they do not get much results out of it, and then so they get disappointed and they think this is nonsense and it's not really working as people are saying. But wait, before judging, you should know the correct way to use the castor oil in order to get the best out of it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare castor oil in order to remove your acne and pimple and get rid of your oily skin, as well as how to prepare it for your hair to get the best of it for the hair growth and stop the hair fall. By the way, in the description box of the video, I have linked down for you one of the best castor oils that you can buy for yourself and benefit from it according to the country of your residence. So let's go and see how to prepare this magical ancient oil. To prepare the castor oil for the maximum effect on your skin, we need 1 tablespoon of castor oil and 1 tablespoon of carrier oil, which the best carrier oil for castor oil are sweet almond oil, coconut oil, or you can use olive oil. I am using sweet almond carrier oil. Mix these two oils very well together, and then you can keep it in a dropper bottle or any container that you like. Simply apply this oil on your skin and massage it until completely is absorbed to your skin. You can do this at the night time when you want to go to bed, and wash your face in the morning for the maximum effect. This oil mixture will leave your skin such a baby face, so soft, just like cotton in the morning. To prepare the castor oil for your hair, we always need 2 parts of castor oil and 1 part of other carrier oil, which you can use again sweet almond, olive, or coconut oil. I am using sweet almond oil. For this, I'm using 1 tablespoon of castor oil with half a tablespoon of sweet almond oil. Mix these 2 oils together very well. Pour it into your desired container or a dropper bottle. Before applying this oil mixture on your hair, you need to prepare the oil. Place your container of the oil in a bowl. Fill the bowl with hot water and let the oil sit in the hot water for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, the oil is ready to apply on your hair. Take out the bottle and apply on your hair. For the best results, you can damp your hair, or simply you can just apply it to your hair. Use a dropper to put the oil on your scalp and massage very well. And also you can pour the rest of the oil to a spray bottle or simply your palm of your hands and then massage it to the rest of your hair. Make sure all your hair, including your scalp, is completely massaged by this oil and is fully covered. Once you're done with your hair, wrap your hair with a hot towel and let it stay for at least 30 minutes or 3 hours, or even you can keep it overnight. After your wanted period, you can just go and wash it with shampoo and conditioner, and then you end up with a silky, beautiful, soft hair. Do this twice a week for the best result to prevent the hair loss and to stimulate the best hair growth on your hair.